Oi everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to BakeCookTravel. Today's episode will be Italian-inspired focaccia. This focaccia recipe is super easy. I will show you how to make this incredible dough and how to top it with the most delicious fresh ingredients. Muito bom! So let's make some focaccia. So for our dough, we will be using a scale and a mixer. You can mix it by hand, but it will take a while. Into the mixing bowl, add 800 milliliters of water, 28 grams of soft instant yeast, 1 kilogram and 100 grams of bread flour, 6 grams of sugar, 17 grams of salt, and 56 milliliters of olive oil. Bring the dough over to your mixer and mix it for 8 minutes on low speed. Bring the dough to a clean table and give it some slaps. You can even use your dough scraper to help. The dough will be sticking. Place the dough into a bowl. Form a ball shape and cover with the cloth. Let the dough proof for 1.5 to 2 hours. I usually like to proof the dough in my oven, especially when the weather is cooler. Now it's time for you to drop a like if you're enjoying this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new here for more amazing delicious recipes. So my dough came out of the bowl. I should have used a bigger one, but it's okay. It's a very big dough, so you know. If you are making different focaccias, put the dough on the table to split them. The dough should have these bubbles on the top. This is a sign that you have done a good job. You can also make it in one tray. You can use square or rectangle pans. Cut the dough in a way that fits in your pans. The dough should be elastic so you can spread it easily on the pan. About 3/4 to 1 inch thick. Over the dough, sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using this one that I got at a local Italian store. For this part, I recommend using a very good quality extra virgin olive oil. Using your fingers, press down the dough, making rolls, about 1/2 inch between them. For my first focaccia, I'm topping with black olives, cherry tomatoes, fresh basil leaves, Italian extra virgin olive oil, and if you want, add some dry oregano. For the other focaccia, I'm using some molding salt or sea salt, fresh rosemary leaves, and of course, that special extra virgin olive oil. This is a very traditional flavor combination, and I will make it my own by adding some freshly shredded mozzarella. Into the rolls, place the rosemary leaves and some over the whole dough. Add some cheese if you are using any. Sprinkle more olive oil. Add some sea salt on top. I love to use molding salt, it gives it a very special taste. Cover the dough and proof for about 30 minutes. For the other one, place the basil leaves into the holes, tomatoes and cheese. Add some pitted black olives. Some cheese on top too. Bake it then at 425 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until nice and golden. It should be crispy on the outside and soft inside. And again, season the bread all over with extra virgin olive oil. The olive oil is very important to give the focaccia even more flavor and to keep it from going dry. Cut the focaccia into nice pieces and enjoy. The cheese in the rolls give the bread a blast of flavor and chew. This style gives you a taller bread than some you've seen. You can just spread it in a bigger pan if you'd like thinner. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On BakeCookTravel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here. And for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.